All right, we got an old exhaust fan here. Nice. All the shower dust and bathroom dust. And it's a finished ceiling, so instead of actually cutting this thing out and replacing it, you can get this kit right here. It's Brown New Tone. It's called a quick kit. And it comes with a couple universal plates, new fan and motor, mini squirrel cage style. So we're going to open this up here. And most of these are pretty universal, so what happens is you get the new grill there, and then you have your motor, here's your motor, and the cord, capacitor on it, so we'll set that right down there, and then we got two plates, different styles. Oops, that is not the right one. There we go. So look, this one matches up to that, and then we'll take this cord through here, and get this all connected. Hello. Just like so. Get it all in there. And it comes with two new taps for it, and a little hardware kit. There's on here. A couple lock taps for it. Put that on there, and we'll put it in place. Oh, here's the old fan box. Instead of cutting that out, we're just going to clean it out, and we'll put our new fan insert in. All better. And we'll put a new cover on. Here's the old one. Clips match up. Should be right.